If your Kia Sportage is refusing to turn over and that check engine light is staring you down, here is exactly how to find the culprit. Statistically, over 60% of no-start conditions in modern crossovers are caused by a failing battery or loose terminals. Before we dive under the hood, let's follow a standard diagnostic path to rule out the easy stuff first. Start by checking for loose battery cables, then use an OBD2 scanner to see why that check engine light is on. A common Kia failure point is the crankshaft position sensor, which often triggers a P0335 code. If the engine cranks but won't fire, you might be looking at a bad fuel pump or a simple blown relay. Simple electrical issues are easy DIY fixes, but fuel pump replacements and computer errors usually require a professional. Costs vary wildly, ranging from a $100 battery to a $700 fuel system overhaul. Use a multimeter to ensure your battery is holding at least 12.6 volts before assuming the alternator is dead. Having a basic socket set and a budget OBD2 scanner will save you hundreds in diagnostic fees. Remember, clearing the code doesn't fix the car. You must address the actual mechanical failure. Check those terminals and read those codes. Subscribe for more Kia troubleshooting guides, and I'll see you in the next one.